Hi, I've loved learning what you have to say about thermography. It's relatively new out there. A lot of people don't know anything about it, including many of you. So the best advice I can give you is keep an eye on new technology and see how it's changing, and validate your sources. You see, if somebody actually wants you to use their product, like thermography in this case, they're going to tell you all of the best, really exciting parts that their studies have proven. Well, I've done studies too, and I can prove just about anything with those studies. And I can also disprove about anything with those studies, depending on how ethical I am. So think about the people who have mammography interest might be spreading some bad information about thermography. So don't trust little sources. Really go to peer-reviewed articles. The PIMA website is the way to go for this, I'm telling you. So anyway, thanks for the great discussion, and good luck on that quiz.